Yo, what's good, boys? Mission today is to tighten up these forks right here. One of them dropped an inch, or pushed up I should say. We got the headset that's a little wobbly here. Hard to always catch it on the video. Anyways, gonna tune her up for a little session today. It's looking gorgeous out, so gonna head to the lot and go play. Bring the drone, get some new shots, be sick. I'm gonna take the front of this thing off first. Oh, it's that 5-piece. And actually, I think we need this guy. This cup holder, if you're doing wheelies, doesn't work that good. I had my little electronic vape in there for ferry to ferry and lost the thing. This is just a little guy here. Oh, we got some Jay-Z pumping. I mean, does everyone have problems with these headsets loosening up, or what? Is it just mine and Trevor's? It seems like he drilled a little hole just to tighten his up. I can usually get right down in there with a screwdriver, but he popped a hole right in there somewhere. I mean, I know they make a tool for it. I've never seen one in my life, actually, with my eyes. But invest in one. These Zuma LEDs are fucking awesome. Nice and bright. The Elite's lights are a joke. Alright, boys, here we are. Oh, let's see. Look at the forks. Look how high that one is. Wild, huh? 14 it is, eh? This one's gonna require some juice to it. I don't want to fuck around. We already had to do this once, so look at that. Let's loosen both up a hair. There, now they're flush. Damn, look at it. It's like a good amount, bros. This is the second time this has done that. We're gonna do some tricky shit. Since something there, boys. There's supposed to be a washer in there or something. And what the fuck? I want to tighten them into each other. Well, that's going to be the jam. We're trying that one. That's pretty much it. Cake. Still be doable. Alright, boys. On the mission. It's 1:30. Head over to the lot. Play a little bit. Kevin. It's almost like an hour drive just to get there on this hog. About a gallon of gas probably. Got that gallon there, some extra oil there. Wallet. Should be good. Up on the roof. Yeah, we here. Little wave, piece them out with. Even this road's kind of a bitch, you just bump right here. There he is. Dang, not bad. Well, see you on the next one, G. Well, boys, we're home. At least we're on our road. Good little session. Well, boys, hope you enjoyed a sick little session. Catch you on the next one. Like and subscribe.